Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can remove the digital creator feature from your Facebook page. Friends, please don't forget to put likes under this video, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. And let's get started with our topic today, friends. And first of all, you're going to need to open up Facebook. Go to your page. Now on your page, you're going to need to remove this sign right here. Yes, there's a sign here that says Digital Creator. In order to remove that, you're gonna have to click on the three dots. Next, friends, select this option right here, Turn off Professional Mode. Now, click on Continue. Next, you'll be taken to a page like this, where you'll be warned about, so to speak, the consequences of disabling professional mode. Next, what you might be missing after disabling it. Be sure to read this information. And if, in principle, you absolutely agree, then click Disable. And wait a few seconds for this feature, it will turn off. Now friends, click Close. You can refresh your Facebook page. As you can see, now I don't have a sign here that says I'm a digital creator. This is the way, friends, you can easily remove the digital creator feature from your Facebook. I really hope this video was helpful to you, friends, and helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. Take care.